Hey guys, whoa, happy Valentine's Day. Um, I don't have a Valentine, but it's okay because I'm single. See, last year I had a boyfriend and I was waiting for him to ask me to be his Valentine, and he never did, and it made me really sad and it really hurt my feelings. But I ended up breaking up with him by the end of the month. So, anyway, look at the nails that I did for Valentine's Day. They are so cute, and I don't really care what you think unless you think that they're cute too, because they are. But if you don't think they're cute, then I don't care because I like them. So,